Hi guys, welcome to the 31 days of Halloween. I'm your Hallow Queen, Brianna. Welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today we are going to be turning ourselves into a Euphoria babe. So this is the look. Grab a snack, grab your supplies, grab your kit, grab your mirror, and let's get to getting. Everybody, first things first, let's get to foundation. I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Natural. Ooh, we changed it up. And I'm using that beauty blender to beat that in. Going into the Floral and Bloom blush palette, we are going to be putting the blush all over our face. We want this on our cheeks, all over the bridge of our nose, and up the direction of our temples. Then take your Floral and Bloom Highlight and Contour palette, add a little bit of definition into the contour. This is going to be really light and really blown out contour. Then line your lips using Hollywood and Vine number 241 first, and then add Hollywood and Vine 252 on top of that to add definition. And of course, fill it in with our favorite black and white lipsticks, number 1. Alright, let's dip into that Femme Fatale palette. First color we're gonna go into is Deadly, and we're gonna put that all over the crease. And then Wheat. Then taking Obsession from the crease to where your pupil is, using the shade Blazing, blend everything out and add a little bit of depth. Switch over to our Remember Me palette and go into the color Noir. You're gonna add that to your crease and take it down towards your pupil and up on your crease and really blend it in. Then dipping into Craze, go in and blend and buff Noir out to the fullest. Now I am just going back in and cleaning up a little bit because I thought that my edges were a little bit messy. I'm staring confusingly at the Femme Fatale because I don't know where to start. Decided first to go into Man Eater and put that in the inner corner of our look. Not like the inner corner, but the first shade on the lid. And then we're gonna go into the color Passion, and we're gonna make that the second shade on the lid. So really blend that into Man Eater. And then for the crease shade, but still mostly on the lid, we're gonna use the shade Complex. I'm gonna really gently go into the color Sweet and blend out the edges of the look. Going into my favorite color, Hypnotic. This is a topper, really. You wouldn't want to just use this as the eyeshadow, but this is gonna go on top of the entire look, and I'm gonna add about 3 layers on each eye of this color. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go into my eyeliner. I'm gonna give myself a nice wing. So it's tip time. As you can see, there's a bit of a blip on the edge of this wing. So what we're gonna do is take primer, you can use any primer, and take that on a clean brush, and then you're just gonna brush away all of the outside that you don't want in your crease anymore. Then you have to dab away the primer, and then you can re-add a sharp tip where that was like really messed up before. So this is how to fix eyeliner if you've messed up. I wasn't really ruined, but I wanted to just make the style the same, so I went ahead and used a little bit of primer on a brush to really point out that edge. Using Noir on a pencil brush, we are going to go ahead and put a little black smolder on the bottom. We're going to buff that out with Blazing. Set everything with my favorite micro dot makeup fixer. Guys, if you don't have this yet, you really need to have it. Then go ahead and curl your hair because you didn't do it before because you're dumb. Just kidding, the curling iron was warming up. In your brows, I'm using my Riase Brow Definer. I don't really know if it's called that. It's just an eyebrow pen, and it's in the color Black Brown. Glitter! So grab rhinestones. I'm going to use a mix of black and white, and I'm going to be applying these with my Duo Lash Glue, and tweezers are vital. Now that those are on the bottom, quickly pop on some mascara. I'm back in the Femme Fatale. I'm going into the shade Influential and popping that into the inner corner of my eyeballs. And dragging it down the bridge of my nose. It's a beautiful highlighter. Somebody say highlighter. You know I'm going into my Floral Bloom highlight palette and taking that top left shade and pressing it in with my finger to make this look glowy and hoey. Just like that, you are done. All right, guys, this is the look. What do you think? I know it's kind of like a spastic way to apply makeup, but I'm kind of a spastic person, so. These rhinestones are giving me life. Like, can this just be like everyday makeup? Yes? Okay, it's going to be. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you want to make yourself a Euphoria person, chick, babe, human, tag me in any pictures, Instagram at breemaquillage with one extra E, and anywhere else is just breemaquillage. So tag me in all of your looks. I would love to see them. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. Hit that like button and turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful Halloween week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Perfect.
Make sure to like shop the merch and shop the products that you need for this video. The links are all in the description bar below. Thanks so much for supporting me and my dream things. Bye. Okay, bye.